Thuy Soy-Free Soy Sauce. It's a pleasure for me to share with all of you one of my sauces, the Soy-Free Soy Sauce, for your health and pleasure. Here's half teaspoon of nước mắm, which is fish sauce. 1 teaspoon of grape musto balsamic vinegar. 1 teaspoon of coconut sap from the Eco Ideas Coco Natura brand. There are 3 basic ingredients for 1 serving. Wait, now the following ingredients are optional. So here are the 3 main ingredients. Simply pour them in a nice small dipping bowl. And the third and last. And that's it. So now let's briefly explore the optional and magical ingredients I have here. Fresh garlic clove. Just make sure to thinly chop or grate them before adding them to the sauce base. The quantity of these optional ingredients could vary. Fresh ginger. You are free to choose only 1 ingredient or a combination of many according to your desire or depending on your dish or on food that would need a sauce accompanying. We can grate them. Here we have fresh green onion, dry chili seeds. You can put some in hot pepper powder. These ingredients enrich this soy-free soy sauce. Feel free to use this sauce as a dipping or a delightful dressing for your salad. You can even use it to marinate, to cook your stir fry, etc. For the endless possibilities, create your own.